Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A56 Outlook. Innovation meets affordability. Enjoy vibrant visuals on the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. Perfect for watching videos, browsing, and gaming. Powered by the Exynos 1280 processor and 6GB of RAM, experience smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Capture every moment with the versatile triple camera system. 64MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro lens. Perfect for stunning photos and full HD video recording. Stay connected with the 4,500 mAh battery and 25W fast charging. Power up quickly and keep going all day. Personalize your experience with One UI 4 on Android 13. Make the Galaxy A56 Outlook uniquely yours. With 128GB or 256GB of internal storage depending on variant, keep all your important files. The A56 Outlook is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle.